Hi everybody, my name is Ms. Marx. I'm the Ruby Team History teacher and I'm going to show you a few things about our online textbook today. So when you first log in, you're going to come to this page. You're going to see numbers down here. That relates to the chapter number, or also known as the lesson number. So I'm just going to show you some features. I'll use chapter 3 as our example because that's the first chapter we're going to start with this year. So you click on the chapter or lesson. You can also see you can switch from chapter to chapter up here. You can see there are 38 chapters or lessons in our online textbook. We're not going to use them all, but you can see them all there. And within a chapter, there are different sections. Usually there are like 5 or 6, maybe 7 sections in each chapter. And you can switch from section to section using this drop-down menu over here. So once you get into the text, you'll see kind of the headings, the big question, the text. The section headings are always in dark red, and then there's usually an image. But I want to show you some of these tools here because they're very cool. The first one is this one, select reading level. There are 2 reading levels, an A and a B. The A is just the standard grade level text, and then the B is just a little bit shorter and simpler language. So if you're having trouble, you can always switch to the B. You'll get the same content just at a different level. This play button here, very cool. This lets you let the textbook read to you. It's a robotic woman's voice, but some kids really like read-alouds and like this feature.
From hunters and gatherers to farmers, how did the development of agriculture change daily life in the Neolithic Age? Introduction. Scientists.
So it's not perfect, but that's a feature you might use. There's also a button to translate into Spanish. There's this star button, which is great. After you read, you can press this button and review the main ideas, which it highlights in kind of a bold blue. That's that star button. There are other features, but those are the main ones. In addition, if you scroll down in the text, you'll see these, what they call notes pages. We're going to use these sometimes. They give you spaces to like type in answers or draw things or shade things. We're not going to use it all the time, but we might use it sometimes. You can also get to the notebook on the left side here in this purple menu where you click notebook. That also gets you to the notebook pages. Another feature we're going to use right away is the glossary, and you get to that under reference. So if you click reference on the left, then you need to click glossary. And you can find lots of terms here, of course, alphabetized. So if I'm looking up the word nomad, I click the N and find nomad here, and there's the definition. Lastly, every chapter has a game that goes with it. You can find that under lesson game. They're pretty fun. Kids usually really like playing them. And so for example, you click question 1. The Stone Age got its name because, I know the answer because I've already studied this. So I'll say people use stone tools. You turn in the answer and then it like earns you points. You can see this boat is moving across and it's drawing something up here. So we'll use the lesson games for sure. And then occasionally we might use these vocabulary cards, but more often we'll use Quizlet. But you can see it'll give you like a term and then you can flip the card and get the definition. I personally think the glossary is easier to use, but I just wanted to show that too as well. But mainly we'll be using the text. I think you'll like this resource and you'll be experts at it after a little bit of practice. So thanks for listening and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.